Hello everybody on YouTube. How y'all doing? I got me a Lasko fan getting ready to be oiled with this 3-in-1 motor oil. I got the oil this time, and it's for this fan, this Power Plus. And I'm gonna grab the two grills. This is it right here. In fact, it says it right here. See that? Power Plus. We're looking for the switches right now. It came with the big feet and the thing. It's like the old Galaxies. Alright, we're gonna get started. I'm gonna show you this fan I built. In fact, this is the beast of all fans. This one's lubricated too. It came from an inflatable blower. Alright, we're gonna start. You gotta spin it by hand because there's no capacitor. The capacitor went bad on it. So it still runs. Nice start. It's been oiled with motor oil because the thing was seized. This is where it came out of, an old Christmas inflatable blower motor. And I've glued this handle on here. And look, you can carry it by handle. But you can't take it apart. You have to unglue it. So since we got us a Lasko here, what we're gonna do is put some oil with this 3-in-1 motor oil. Here we go. What we're going to do is pause the video for a sec. So Tori the fan man, Lemont the fan man, look him up right now. I'm giving you a shout out. I haven't seen you in a while and I got some motor oil. I'm back with the motor oil. This is amazing. So we're going to drizzle some oil on it. If you want these things to last, you're going to want, this is how I do it. Soak it in oil. And she spins freely. She's a Lasko, so here's the other end. What I'm going to do to clean that, since it's a little bit dirty inside. Put some oil inside. Put some oil around here. There we go. And we'll put our motor back together. Grab our screws and we're gonna screw it back together. We're going to clean the fan a little bit. I do 2 screws on each side like this. So this thing cannot go nowhere. I'll put it on the front of the motor. off with a towel. Put the cap on. And she's good to go. It is a tuna can motor. I haven't stopped on that, but it came with the fuse plug. And it has these two big feet. So what we're gonna do is gonna show you what I do before I put it back together. Usually I wash it in the dishwasher, or the I wash the fan grills usually in the dishwasher or something, but no, since we want this thing back to running condition, we're gonna do is we're gonna wipe off some of the extra oil that's on it, because I do put a little bit more in it because I want this thing to last for a long time, even though this is a cheap fan. We're gonna do is clean it a little bit, get some of that shit off. Let's get some of that crap off. All right. Now all I'm going to do is put our motor cover back in, grab our 4 screws. Don't want to do it too tight because we're doing plastic on here. Well, the capacitor is an exception. The Lasko Cool Colors is been lubricated with that too, but we haven't showed on video. It's still in there. It's still running. It's probably old by now. It's probably 2 years old, from 2016. This was bought in 2018. We're screwing a capacitor in. We don't want to over tighten it because we're putting it right into plastic. It's not perfect yet because the bearings need to be aligned, so what we're going to do, there we go. It's a little bit better. What I'm going to do is pause it so we can get this thing back in the fan. And now last thing, we need to put our feet in. Battery's kind of dead on this headlight right here. Need to line up and we'll show you what we did. Hold on. The feet are kind of messed up. Alright, the fan's finished. Let me get in our light. I'm gonna get batteries in that one. I got a bunch of them. Alright, finished product. So what we're going to do is turn her on. Here we go. The finished product should work, which it always will. See if it works better. Here we go. Low. It's got motor sound. Medium. A ton of air. In fact, it's got that little motor on it. It's in there. Let's put it back together. Here it goes high. There's high speed. Alright, we're back. This thing is running quite well. It's non-detergent oil that we used. Alright, it's the spin down. The high speed. Alright. She looks a lot better. Oh, wow, it's a long spin down time. This didn't have it. Now it does. Ooh. Yes! Spin down time's even better. Alright, and that's all thanks to this. 3-in-1 motor oil. Long lasting. no detergent. And see that? It's actually proper. So I oiled it real well. You saw it. And it took me a lot of work. But I'm going to see y'all later, man. I got to get going. I hope you see this Lemont because I got the proper oil like you said last time. I didn't have it. And I used this wrong oil. That's not it. This is the right one. I bought it. So here we go. See y'all later.